Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Well, this is your Walgreens preview for the week of October the 13th to the 19th, and it's going to be another terrific week, including some cheap Tide, cheap L'Oreal Elvive, and some very inexpensive Halloween candy, which we all love. So last Wednesday, 2 different boosters showed up in both of my accounts. The top one is valid right till November the 2nd, and it's online only. Spend 30 on Kenvu items, get back 10. And the bottom one is just a regular one, which is spend 45, get back 10, and it's valid next week only. So what exactly is Kenvu items? It is basically like Johnson & Johnson, Aveeno, Listerine from this specific parent company. And the devil is in the details because that is online only. So we'll definitely look at a curbside deal for that next week to make something happen. If you could please treat this video as a preview, the full ad along with all of the digital will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, October the 13th. And if you could do me a huge favor, guys, and please like this video, it would really help me out and the channel. If you could take a quick second and like the video, I would be so grateful. First little piece of business is this 200 count of these Tootsie Pop minis. So it's like a lollipop, but they're smaller, 18 different flavors. It's the 200 count bag. I think they're originally like, I don't know, $13 or $11, and they're down to $2.99, which is some significant savings. Seen this all over social media. If you want to go out today, look for it. But if Sunday's your day, ask for a price check if you find these 200 count bags. You might be surprised what they're ringing up for, and $2.99 is a very good stock up price for this candy. The next candy deal that we're going to talk about is BOGO free, and it's a whole host of items from Kit Kat, Snickers. It's the smaller Tootsie Pop bag, and then the Butterfingers. I think the Butterfingers promotion is to buy 5 of them to get back a $4 register reward, and that is a promotion with the parent company for Butterfingers, 100 grand, that company. But yeah, BOGO free. It's probably a little bit more than this week than the $2 last week on some of these products. First deal we're going to talk about is the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. That is 2 for $10. We're going to have a 3 off 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday. Grabbing 2 of these for $10, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $7. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is these laundry care products by P&G for $5.49, and we're looking like Mr. Gain is included as well. Grabbing 4 of these for $21.96. We usually have about $5 in digitals attaching. You'll pay $16.96 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 for this premium line of these P&G laundry care products. If you're doing this deal with no booster, it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but $21.96 is a huge chunk of $45. This is definitely one deal that I would throw in with something else if you're using that spend 45, get back 10 booster. Now we're looking at some Tresemme hair care for $6. We're going to have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So getting 2 of these, it's going to be $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $8. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per shampoo or conditioner. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Everyone's favorite, the Dove body wash is back for $7. So we have a $5 coupon that's showing up and a $3 reward when you buy 2. Having 2 of the body washes, that'll be $14. Subtracting that $5 coupon, you'll pay $9. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per body wash. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. But if you think about it, in a $45 basket, this would be really ideal. Let's not forget to photograph your receipt also to fetch rewards. Who knows, there might be some sort of little rebate as the week marches on. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is with the dental care products by Crest Scope at $5. 2 of them will be 10. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay 6. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per. Now, if you're going to be, stocking up on something like that mouthwash by Scope, a product we really don't get, I don't think $1.50 is the worst price point. And I would check IBOTTA if you're going to go for those fancier toothpastes. There might be a rebate for you. There might not be. And now we're going to look at a deal with the Pampers, 2 for $21. We have a 3 off 2 digital and a $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 bags of these diapers for $21. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $18. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $14 for the 2 or $7 per bag. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. A much cheaper dental care deal is the Colgate dental care products for $4.50. See how it says $2 off coupon? I'm wondering if we'll get one for both the brush and the paste. If that works out, grabbing 2 of the items, like a brush and a paste for $9, $4.50 each, times 2 is $9. Subtracting 2 $2 digital coupons. Again, we're going to have to double, triple check that on Sunday. Hopefully we get it. Fingers crossed. After that $4 comes off, guys, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. That's a stock up price. No booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And a good rule of thumb, too, is when you get to the register, ask the cashier, are the register rewards printing? Point at the Catalina machine. Is that thing printing today? So you can get an idea, is the machine working or not? Or even listen when other customers are in front of you. Are things printing out, yes or no? Because sometimes it gives a headache to some of you. And I hear you in the comments. Let's look at a couple deals with some paper now. Usually we get like at least $3 with the Sherman, Puffs, and Bounty, some digital coupons. And so grabbing 4, like a variation of one of each, $21.96, subtracting say $3 of digitals. Again, we have to double, triple check that on Sunday. Pay $18.96 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward. It makes it $13.96 for the 4 or $3.49 per paper product. No booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. With that goofy toilet paper shortage that lasted 2 days earlier in the month, I think all of us see the value to stock up on at least one paper deal every other week at Walgreens to make a little stockpile of these goods. Certainly how I'm feeling these days. Another great paper deal is with the Angel Soft, and I do love how this is packaged. It's very tight in there, so 6 big rolls. So 3 of these would be $13.50. Subtracting that $1.50 digital, you're going to pay $12, get back a $3 register reward, making it $9 for the 3 or $3 per pack. Very good price point. No booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, so before we skedaddle, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first is the Love Beauty and Planet at BOGO 50% off and a 5 off 2 digital. I know that Fetch had 3,000 points back for each shampoo, but I think it had a little time ticker of doom, like it was expiring quickly. Double, triple check your Fetch rewards. Is it still there on Sunday? This might be a Sunday only deal, but again, we have to check that all out on Sunday. The next dealio that we're looking at is the Maybelline on a BOGO 50% off. That's 6 off 2 digital. Is a new one going to show up? Yes or no? That is the question. I don't know. We're going to have to check that out on Sunday, maybe load it through the ad. We have a buy one, get 2 for free on the Complete Home trash bags. I certainly need to stock up on this. Typically, it's like $4.79. If you wish to use like $4 in Walgreens cash, I mean, that's a really good price point, especially for these trash bags. And then the Scott's at $5, and it says clip coupon. Is that going to be a manufacturer? What is it going to be and how much? Is this the product that we're going to stock up on? If yes, I'm definitely grabbing a couple. I recently gave a family member like 4 of these today. They were like, could I have some toilet paper? And I'm like, yes. And then we have the nice selected brand nuts for $3.99. That certainly is a deal of the week. If you just want to keep it handy in your car when you're going from store to store to store, extreme couponing, it's a great little snack to have on hand. And then we also have 3 for $13.99 on the Canada Dry and Dr. Pepper products. If you love Dr. Pepper, you know this is a very good stock up price. Typically for one of these 12 packs, it's almost $10, $9.99. tremendous savings right there. And the final little item is a BOGO free on the Arm & Hammer laundry care. Will IBOTTA give us any sort of rebate to make it a little bit better? Possibly maybe a better deal. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.